तर थेट जाऊया पत्रकार परिषदेत. यावेळेस तीनही दलाचे सैन्य प्रमुख जे आहेत ते पत्रकार परिषद घेत आहेत.
Followed by some questions from the media. I'll request the questions are asked only by the nominee, only to the topic of this press conference, which is about thanking our COVID warriors of our country.
I see no ladies here today, but nonetheless, ladies and gentlemen, we are here today. As you all know, the entire world is fighting the menace of the coronavirus. And like everybody else, our nation too has been affected. On behalf of the defense services, we have decided to express our gratitude to all the corona warriors, every person who has been involved in providing support to our nation and to its people, in ensuring that all of us remain safe and we are able to overcome this problem in the days ahead. We have seen the manner in which the medical professionals have toiled day in and day out to ensure that all those affected by this virus recover in the fastest time frame. Along with them, the nurses, the other people from the medical profession, sanitation workers, our police personnel, standing beside them, personnel from the home guards, delivery boys who have been delivering essential commodities in the homes of the people. And of course, we cannot forget the media which has been reaching out to our population with the message that has emanated from our government from time to time on how to carry on with our life during these difficult times. We are indeed very grateful to all the corona warriors who have ensured that we are going past this phase in a very deliberate manner. We also cannot forget the people of our nation who have very strictly adhered to all the guidelines that were issued by the government from time to time, whether it was on social distancing, wearing of masks, ensuring proper hygiene and sanitation at all times. And of course, when the government gave the call, whether it was through the ringing of bells or through lighting our houses at night, the nation stood together. I mean, our nation has shown the resilience to overcome such crisis by staying together. And as you can see, the motto that is written behind, frontline warriors today salute the corona warriors, and we are sure we will win together. In our country, everybody understands that when it comes to the nation, we need to work together. On behalf of the security forces, we therefore want to really express our gratitude to the Corona warriors. And in doing so, on the 3rd of May, that is on Sunday, there are some special activities that the nation will get to witness from all the three services. The Air Force will be conducting flypasts from Srinagar to Thiruvananthapuram. You will see other flypasts happening from the east in Dibrugarh, right across the length and breadth of the country towards Kutch in Gujarat. The flypasts will be conducted by fixed-wing aircraft and the fighter wings and the fighter aircraft. There will also be showering of petals from helicopters in hospitals across the country which have been involved in saving our people from COVID-19. The Navy on its part will be out on the seas displaying their formations. You will witness some lighting of our ships on the seashores, expressing solidarity and gratitude once again for our warriors. The Indian Army on its part will conduct some mounted band displays along some of the hospitals, in particular the COVID hospitals, not just in the state capital of Delhi, but in almost every district of our country. With this, to express our strength that we stand by our police forces, the armed forces will also be laying wreaths at the police memorial on the morning of 3rd of May. The detailed itinerary of every event, the fire blast, the showering of petals, the display by the Navy and the Army, will be given to you separately. So with that, I wish to thank you all media persons for being here today amongst us, conveying our message to the people of our nation that the armed forces stand solidly behind the nation, and we wish to utilize this opportunity to convey our gratitude to each and every Corona warrior who has been involved in this fight, and to every citizen of our country who have adhered to the guidelines that emanated from the government. If we are able to win this fight, it will happen because of the patience and the discipline displayed by every citizen of our nation. Thank you for a patient hearing.
देशातील सर्व रुग्णालयांवर पुष्पवृष्टी करणार असल्याचं या ठिकाणी आता लष्कर प्रमुख जे आहेत त्यांनी चीफ ऑफ द डिफेन्स यांनी सांगितलेलं आहे. लष्कराचा 3 मेला विशेष कार्यक्रम होणार आहे. कोरोना योद्ध्यांना मानवंदना या ठिकाणी देण्यात येईल आणि जे हॉस्पिटल सध्या कोरोना बाधितांवर उपचार करतायत आपल्या जीवाची बाजी लावून त्या सर्व रुग्णालयांवर पुष्पवृष्टी करण्याचा देखील एक महत्त्वाचा मानस या ठिकाणी बोलून दाखवण्यात आलेला आहे. तसा कार्यक्रम या ठिकाणी आहे. केरळ ते लडाख, आसाम ते गुजरात पर्यंत हा कार्यक्रम होणार आहे. देशामध्ये जी रुग्णालय सध्या कोरोना बाधितांवर उपचार करतायत, यशस्वी उपचार करतायत, त्यांवर पुष्पवृष्टी करण्याचा हा विशेष कार्यक्रम आता लष्कराच्या मार्फत राबवण्यात आलेला आहे. या ठिकाणची यावेळेची सगळ्यात मोठी बातमी आपण बघतोय. लष्कराचा हा एक विशेष कार्यक्रम 3 मेला असणार आहे. खरं तर लॉकडाऊन 3 मेला संपतोय.